हम दोनों ठीक लग रहे हैं, मोटे तो नहीं लग रहे हम।
सबक नहीं दिखना चाहिए।
मिस्टर अमित सेठी हियर इज द प्रोसेस का गुरु। बुद्धा बैठा था पेड़ के नीचे और वो लाइट आई थी, तो मेरी लाइफ में ना अमित सेठी आ गया।
I get to speak after this, right?
या आएगी।
So hi Rohit and Ramit, welcome to the brand story. Well, homestays और boutique hotels की बात होती है तो इंडिया में बहुत सारे options नहीं है, तो किस तरीके से आपने Seclude की शुरुआत करी? What is the brand story of Seclude?
So it all started with me building a house.
Okay.
Like all good Delhi वाला, I wanted a house in the mountains. तो मैं पहुंच गया पालमपुर। हाँ, सब कुछ चाहिए घर पार्टी में बोलने के लिए, मेरा घर है पहाड़ों में, सब लोग आओ। सो मैं पालमपुर पहुंच गया, बड़ी अच्छी लगी जगह, और मैंने एक ज़मीन खरीदी और एक घर बना दिया। फिर मैं गया रामगढ़, बड़ी अच्छी लगी, क्या पहाड़, ज़मीन खरीदी, घर बना दिया। फिर मैं गया गोवा, बहुत अच्छा लगा, वहाँ पे एक फ्लैट ले लिया। अब ये सारे घर तो तैयार हो गए, अब इन घरों का करूँ क्या? जब भी मैं जाता था, I would go with my friends, with my family, but after a point of time you really don't go.
Yeah.
So the guy would call up from there and say कि आज शीशा टूट गया, आज बल्ब खराब है, ये वो, and then when you go there for 3 days you're just repairing things.
Right.
Till such time when you come back everything is fixed.
Yeah.
You go again you're repairing
Something or the other is there. Yeah.
So then I decided to make them into homestays. The plan was very simple. कि the property should earn just enough money to maintain its upkeep.
Correct.
I'm a chartered accountant.
Okay.
And so is my friend here.
Okay.
तो money balance, incoming, outgoing,
Balance बनाना
revenue,
पड़ता है।
expenditure कुछ
Yeah.
देखना था. So as a result of that, these 3 homestays came about, and I started meeting other people like me who built these houses and didn't know what to do with them.
Correct.
So I started taking houses from a few other people, and then in my life, जैसे वो बैठा था ना, एक बुद्धा बैठा था पेड़ के नीचे और वो लाइट आई थी, तो मेरी लाइफ में ना रमित सेठी आ गया।
Okay.
हुआ क्या कि रमित's dad and my dad were in college together.
Oh, so the connection is like काफी
Exactly.
पहले का।
So जैसे हर घर में एक बच्चा होता है ना, जब मम्मी कहती है कि देखो बेटा वो कितना पढ़ रहा है, तुम इसी तरह बनो, तो रमेश सेठी वो दैट बॉय इन माय लाइफ। तेरे घर में भी होगा कोई ना कोई, है ना?
Definitely.
तो रमेश सेठी
शर्मा जी का बेटा इधर,
करेक्ट, सेठी जी का बेटा, तो रमेश सेठी वो दैट गाय इन माय लाइफ।
I get to speak after this, right?
आएगी। So Ramit Sethi came into my life, and then he came, we used to go and look at the houses in the mountains. मैंने कहा तू मेरे साथ चल। So he sat me down one day. I said, Ramit Sethi, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा यार, मैं इतना काम कर रहा हूँ Seclude के लिए, 7-8 घर हो गए, I'm not making money. So he told me, you need to stop building houses. You need to start building a company. So we decided, घर नहीं बनाते, कंपनी बनाते हैं। And
so Shark Tank की तरह एक आपके पास mentor आ गया।
Absolutely.
So he's the shark in your life.
He's the shark in my life.
Okay.
Whatever. So I've been called many names, but
This is the first, no?
Something which is trending also.
Yeah. No. So I was a proper corporate guy. So I had many jobs. I was a banker. I was a partner in one of the big 4. First Wipro was my last job. So I was enjoying all that, and I turned into this angel investor, investing in other people's companies.
That's where the shark name
the shark.
perfectly fits.
Correct. Yeah. So he, on the other hand, was building houses and would surely run out of money, because how many houses can you build?
Yeah.
And so then we would go out on these long drives. I thought, thoda retirement type, let's roam the mountains. And there we thought that the problem you had of, how do you maintain your houses? Other people with beautiful homes, they also have the same problem.
Yeah.
So we built a company around that, saying that we will help the other people with design. So we'll help them. See, ghar aapka ghar hota hai, but when you are charging money for it, it needs a little more.
More, yeah.
So we need to redesign this so that people, and then we developed a look. So when you go to a Seclude home, you know this is Seclude.
140 employees are right now working across 20 properties. So what is the process? क्योंकि इतना easy नहीं होता है कि किसी भी property को एक अलग remote location से चलाना. So what is the process? How do you manage these properties, and how do you manage to get connected to the people who take care of the properties locally?
Tunaja, you said the magic word.
Yeah.
Process. That is the magic word. Okay. Mr. Amit Sethi here is the process ka guru. So everything has to be put into a process. And once it's put into a process, it seems to run beautifully.
Yeah. But what we like to do is, for the hiring, we like to depend on the local community.
Local.
Because it's very difficult to take even a small time but city guy and say कि अब तुम ना रामगढ़ जाके रहो. So it is difficult.
So I'm sure the journey would not have been really simple. 2010 say, how he started. And then, in 2018, Seclude was literally formed. So 2018 se lekar 2024 mein right now we're sitting. So what were the major challenges and all, that you literally faced?
So we had six properties in 2018, and today we have 20. We had maybe 60 rooms or so, 50 rooms or so at around 2018. Today we have about 120. So every week somebody comes to us, like you said, now how do we get the properties? How do we find the places? So people contact us. We don't have an acquisition team. So there's nobody going door to door and say, "Ghar de do, ghar de do, ghar de do." Aisa kuch nahi. People come to us and say, "We've stayed at your property. It's very nice. We also have another home. Why can we talk about it, or can you take it over as etc. etc." So once a week or so we get an inquiry. We explore these homes, and we look for location first. Secondly, obviously the way the house is built and the marketability, and we select the homes, and then we have a design team which goes and redesigns everything. We have an operations team which goes and makes sure all the bartan, bhande, chammach, kaante are in place. We have a media team who will go, the videographer, the photographer, they will go and make sure all the
good
pictures, photos are there.
So if somebody wants to stay at Seclude, so which all locations are you all present at, and how can one really reach Seclude? Another interesting thing, I mean, how did you come up with the name Seclude? Very interesting name, but kahan se aaya?
Well, actually, like I told you, the Palampur का घर ना, मतलब वहाँ पहुँचने का कोई रास्ता नहीं था.
It's at a secluded location.
कहीं मतलब जहाँ पे एक पीपल का पेड़ है, वहाँ एक कुत्ता सो रहा है, वहाँ से राइट ले लो, और वो seclude आ गया. It was literally like that. You couldn't reach anywhere, and that's why Seclude, because you actually are secluded in your thoughts.
So I mean, age is just a number, but you guys are extremely young, over 50. So how do you all manage, keeping up with the pace? Because आजकल इस segment में, if we see, a lot of youngsters are getting into it. So I mean, how do you all manage the thought process and balance it?
Yeah, actually हमने इतना सोचा नहीं. So it was just a magical thing of saying that we need to be out in the mountains, और हम कट्ठे चलते हैं. And then we said if we are going to keep doing this, it's highly boring to just holiday away. So this gave us a purpose, and then it became more serious, and now we have a company. So now we are partners in this, and the company is growing.
So Seclude as a brand, I mean, where do you see it 5 years down the line, as a resort, as a boutique? I mean, what are the future plans? किस तरीके से आप Seclude को इंडिया की सबसे बड़ी brand बनाना चाहते हैं?
Well, I am pretty absolutely clear about this. मैं रहूँ या ना रहूँ, there should be people who should know about us. People who should come and stay. Employees should run the place. I mean, it should be running on its own. That's our process plan, really. And we should have like many beautiful homes here.
So we don't actually think like a normal hotelier. We think about what's good for this property, which means we are good for the villa. We are good for those unique middle-sized properties, which are maybe 15 rooms, 16 rooms, which a hotel may or may not want. And we fit in design, food and experiences into that, and just grow it.
So if you want to experience luxury in an affordable way, then Seclude is the place for you. शादी करनी हो या फिर अपनी girlfriend को या boyfriend को propose करना हो, Seclude can be a great option. So this was Seclude's brand story, जो कि completely bootstrapped है. While for more such interesting brand stories, keep watching Trends 9.